All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Hearts of Iron 4, Road to 50 with the Road to 56 mod. Today we are going to be continuing as the Soviet Union. Has been a while since I accessed the save, though, I will admit. Yeah, it has been a while. I've done lots of different saves. So, we are returning to the Iron Man Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. We will be going for Civil War. Um, so yeah, Iron Man mode is on. Historical AI is off. So that basically means a whole bunch of random crap is gonna go. You know. So yeah, let's start this up. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering why it looks different, I installed an FPS mod that made the map look a little bit different. This is what Hoi4 usually looks like. So, yeah, let's do this. Just gonna take a while. Okay. So, yeah, we have, if you remember from last time, there was a Latvian civil war, and they sort of became my puppet. So, yeah, that's nice. Um, anyway, Sweden went communist. And it looks like the Spanish Civil War is going a lot in favor of the Spanish Republic, who have a lot more territory than I was expecting. Well, um, yeah, there's pretty much no other changes throughout the world as of right now, or well, at least from what I noticed anyway. Of course, besides the main ones. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So yeah, we are currently infiltrating Kerensk, and I need to select a national focus. Okay. So. Okay. So we're going to do organize the wreckers, which gives me decisions to sabotage industry, along with other things, during the Second Russian Civil War, which is a really good thing because reasons. Okay. Anyway, we have our army all the way out in the all the way on the east, so that way when the Russian Civil War starts, a lot of these troops will go to the Russian Civil War side, at least from what I've recognized. I'm not sure if that's an actual fact or not, but yeah, you can quiz me on that if you want. Yeah. Anyway, let's pump the infrastructure up. Why not? We gotta be situated in the east anyway, so why not? All right. Tech conversions is done. All right. Research slot available. Let's get some anti-air, since surprisingly I have not researched that yet. We are not going to get any political advisors, and it looks like we're going to be fighting a second one. You know, so yeah, how nice. All right. So, yeah, Yetnensk, Bratsk, Nembo Diabo, not Kotsk. Okay. Okay. So Kamchatka is gonna go to Stalin. Okay, that's good to know. All right. Now, at this point, I really need to get some states with a higher population because we can't deal with a tiny population. Even the state that Vladivostok is in doesn't even have over a million. I mean, at least one has over a million. At least that's all good. You know, so yeah, and then you have your Kutsk up here, so maybe cares about that. So yeah. Okay, so another research slot is available. Let's get field hospitals. Yeah. Actually, That might actually be a good idea after this one. After organize the record is done, we'll do for the tundras and forests. I don't know. Yeah, yeah. Hail Sunset gives me a 60% research bonus for Jagger infantry and winter clothing technologies. I have no clue how to pronounce that. Anyway, yeah. All right. Conspiracy in the academy. Yeah, we don't want political paranoia to be high. So, yeah. Industry slowdown is gone. All right. Sure, Spanish Republic will let you through our soon-to-be non-existing territory. Right. Let's organize the. Right, the records have been organized. Let's do. Um. Actually. Oh, let's approach. I'm a Semyonov. I don't know. All right. All right. We need to Krasnoyorsk. I don't know. How do you pronounce that? Um. Krasnoyarsk. Okay, Krasnoyarsk. I'm just gonna pronounce it like that. I'm probably butchering it, but honestly, who cares? Oh, now the European Confederacy and the People's State of Germany has declared war on the German Republic, and the German Republic has declared war on the German Reich. Um. Oh yeah, I remember the Civil War. I've played it a couple times. It's fun, honestly. If you ever played the Road 56 mod, play as Germany and try to go the Democratic or Communist route. I'd honestly recommend it, although I wouldn't recommend the Communist route. But the Republic route was pretty good. Yeah. Yeah. So why are we even on spy stuff? Right. So okay. So we have Semyonov. All right. Um, I'm being serious with everybody that's watching this right now. I have no clue how to speak Russian, so please give me a break on this. See, we have widespread outbreaks, which is bad. Good. We don't want a lot of manpower. All right, Japanese People's Republic. Oh, look, it's another one that we have to worry about. Then you have the Empire of Japan. Then now, actually, that is actually a good thing. Since they're a puppet of the Empire of Japan. So that way we could actually move in for it. If we really wanted to, we could move in for it. You know. Oh, we got South Sakhalin. Cool. It's South Sakhalin now. Okay, maybe we are on our way to be able to form a new. Maybe we are on our way to form a new thing. Maybe we are on our way to form a new Russian Empire. I don't know, but it's probably nothing. Sorry about that. Yeah. Xinjiang. Oh, okay. So I'd say like, how's? Wait, what? Wait, hold up. If you're a communist, then how are you a fascist follower? How? Oh, that's why. That's why. That's why. Um. Okay, I think it's this route, or is it this route? I don't know. It's something though. It's something. Either one of those, but yeah. Oh, we are actually all ready to do another one. This one be good, or yeah, we don't want Tomsk right now. Although, yeah, let's get this first, and then we'll go for Tomsk. Because I mean, this little tiny corridor is not good, dude. Not really mind if there's little pockets inside of us when the Russian Civil War starts. So the only thing that needs to happen is that this needs to finish before for the end, because it's fine. It's perfectly fine, if we don't finish the other one before the Russian Civil War starts. But you know, if we don't finish that one, that's definitely gonna be a bad thing. Oh, you guys are fascists. Cool. Um, yeah. Anyway. Um, okay. All right. So, which one do we do? Actually, um, hmm, really depends. Okay. Let's do the Eyes Fear. Oh wait. Okay. Maybe not do this yet, because then we could do this, and then second Russian Civil War starts, and I am not ready for that. Although it might be good. Hmm. Okay, it's fine if we get some fascists, okay? It's fine if we get some fascists, and this might actually be good. Oh, weekly manpower. Okay, that. Alright, we need to get the true czars. Oh, cancel non-aggression pact. Great. Alright. Thanks, Poland. I'm gonna be invading you soon. Like, I mean, it's not personal or anything, Poland. Yeah. Cancel the non-aggression pact, and you know how it goes, Poland. You know exactly how it goes. Yeah, you're gonna be dead soon. Yeah. Alright. Decisions. Alita Cry. Oh, yeah, Alita Cry. But then again, Novosibirsk could cry because that. Or, well. Actually, we need to start heading up north, actually. Or. No, we need cavalry. We need cavalry right now. We need to start getting cavalry. Alright. Let's get the Alita Cry. So that way we can at least get some temporary manpower. So, yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. True Czars will give me weekly manpower plus 1,500 and stability plus 10 on the Civil War start. Alright, research slot available. Alright. So let's do excavation once, and sometimes you will get resource things like this that require some form of excavation, like for example, that needs excavation free. So we get oil in North Sakhalin. Alright. Oh. Oh, we can't do that. Alright. Yeah, we are recruiting cavalry, so yeah. Oh, cool. The wait to get another state is over. Alright. Let's infiltrate Tomsk, and after that we'll infiltrate. Alright, another railway slowed down. I was kind of worried for a second because it's like, is that the Second Russian Civil War? No, it's not. Yeah, let's improve the research. Let's do improved equipment conversion. Civil War is probably going to start soon because from the times I have done it, before I've even made this whole series, the times I've done it before, it usually either starts on New Year's Day, or it starts a little bit after that. So we need to get the true czars done. Otherwise, Civil War is just going to trigger itself. All right. Oh, Austria. Oh, uh, oh. Oh, I did not realize that. All right, now let's do. Okay, recruitable population factor is actually a really good one to get. So if we could just squeeze this in. Okay, I was kind of getting worried there for another second because I'm usually whenever, or well, sorry, usually whenever the game just starts lagging like that, it's just like, oh no, oh no, it's the Russian Civil War. I know it. So yeah, if all of a sudden you just see my game start lagging, then yeah, it's the Second Russian Civil War. Since it takes an absolute eternity to just, you know, for my computer to load it. So yeah, how nice. Yeah. Why don't you sign a white piece? Take all. You have cores on this, okay? You have cores on all of this. Take it all. Xinjiang doesn't have cores on it. So why don't you just take it? Okay? Nothing's stopping you from taking it. Sorry. Anyway, yeah, the women's fascist movement, while it does increase my fascist support, it's not really gonna matter in the end. Because no matter what, honestly, like legitimately though, no matter what, you know, it doesn't really matter, whatever path you've gone, you know, whether you go for the Romanov reconstruction, dismantle the Zemsky Sober, or solidify the provisional government. You know, what? What did that say? It says something happened to Carpathia, Ukraine. Which by the way is right here. I don't know why I don't have a core. I don't know why I don't have a core on it. Honestly, I don't know why I don't have a core on it. But I'm not complaining. It's only one tiny state against the Soviet Union's ginormous manpower. So yeah, we probably need to get a new state. Yeah. Okay. Let's get Omsk. Corruption must be rooted out. Let's recruit in Novosibirsk, so that way we don't lose this territory immediately, at least. Anyway, yeah, this is gonna be a pretty large one for us, honestly. This is gonna be a pretty large area just controlled by us. Especially if we control Omsk, this is gonna be pretty easy, honestly. Since we're pretty close to the Russian core. If we get to Omsk and then we'll be pretty close to the Russian core then. Alright, let's cancel all this. Alright. For the rest of the time, I'm just going to have max infrastructure being built all the way up to the Urals. That is it. Well, actually, no. No. We need max infrastructure, or at least some kind of better infrastructure wherever we go. Well, no. I got a better idea. So, this area out here, as you can tell, doesn't have a lot of factories. Actually, this is probably the spot where most of our factories are, in the far west of Siberia, where we're probably gonna lose stuff immediately. So, let's build some civilian factories. It'll help out in the long run. Doesn't hurt. Doesn't hurt to get a couple civilian factories. Really doesn't. Besides, we can get naval dockyards later. We don't have to worry about naval. We need to worry about getting an actual air force during this. Plus, or well, obviously focus on getting a large army first, but an air force is key. Honestly, though, it is something that you need whenever, like, and I mean like whenever you're gonna do a Russian Civil War option, you need to get a large army, okay? Trust me. I've done this before. You need a large army. Because if you don't have a large army than this, for this, then while you still might win the Civil War, like seriously, while you still might win the Civil War, it's not completely out of the question, it's like, oh, if you don't have a large army, then you won't win the Russian Civil Wars. It's not like that, but it's good to have a large army. Because if you have a large army, because if you have a small army, that doesn't rule out all your chances of winning the Civil War, you know. But when more trouble arises, specifically when the Germans invade, you know, whatever this is gonna be, we'll definitely have to worry about it because, if we don't have a large army, then yeah, it's gonna be bad. Trust me, it's gonna be bad. I've already had I've already had that happen to me once before. I don't want that to happen to me again. Alright, just slow down. It's doing all good. So yeah. So yeah, so good. As of right now, I'm just trying to cut off, you know, right now I'm just trying to cut off, the Soviet Union or the Union of Soviet Socialist Republics into multiple parts, so that way it's easier to kind of, how do I word it? How do I word it? Like sort of in a way where it's like we take on smaller bits at once. That's kind of how I'm gonna do it. Just take on smaller bits at once. It's far, honestly, if I'm going to be, oh, Russians, oh, oh, okay. I keep on thinking it's the Second Russian Civil War, but it's not. It's not yet. Anyway, yeah, we need to do covert operations, and then honestly, whatever you do, honestly, do not do the Eyes of Fear yet. Okay, whatever you do, just don't do the Eyes of Fear. Okay. All right. Yeah. Just don't do that, honestly. You could skip Fascist Youth Union. It's just gonna give you, oh. Recruits Youth Union, motorized infantry wants to join your side when this, alright. Actually, that might be a good idea. That might just be a good idea. Ooh, South Manchuria Railway. That would be a good one to get. Although we need to focus on the prize. We need to get a ton of manpower. We need to get a ton of men. We need to get enough to take on the Soviet Union. Alright, let's take Tiumen. Let's recruit Siberian cavalry in Kiryansk. Or however you pronounce it. I don't know. At this point, I don't even try to pronounce them correct, honestly. Alright, after Tiumen, we could make a run for it and just go for Chelyabinsk. This is actually a pretty late start for the Civil War. If the Civil War doesn't start soon, then this is actually gonna be a really late start. Which is really rare. Honestly, it's really rare for you to see. All right, what's going on in Mexico? Oh, fascist rebellion. Okay, good luck. Yeah, fascist youth union. I don't care if they're fascist. Honestly, we just need men. We need tons of men. All right, let's get Chelyabinsk. But yeah, this has ended up being a really late start. Honestly, this is allowing me to get a ton of territory that I probably wouldn't have gotten before, and a lot of focuses that I probably wouldn't have been able to do before. So, yeah. Okay, I don't really care. Just keep political paranoia down. Alright, let's forge satisfactory reports. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the farthest west that we could go. Like, anything past Chelyabinsk, I'm pretty sure you can't do. You know, I'm pretty sure at least. You know, or at least along the Urals, kind of like, if you follow my cursor, kind of just, I don't know, somewhere around there. Okay, this is ending up to be a really good run, honestly. I haven't even gotten this lucky before. I'm being completely honest. I have not gotten this lucky before. Trust me, I have not. Alright. Resistance to occupation, South Sakhalin. Okay. Or South Sakhalin, however you want to pronounce it. Screw it. We have enough. We have enough, honestly. Let's do harsh quotas. Who even cares? But yeah, we are doing really good on the gain territory under our control thing. More railway slowdowns. Okay, I don't really care. Alright, how much longer? Alright. Just a little bit more, and there you go. Alright. Man, we can start getting stuff in Kazakhstan if we really wanted to. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go for Kazakhstan now. We have so much time. At this point, we've gotten so much time at this point, I probably could have. Honestly, if I'm real, I'm actually considering, like, after this focus, I'm actually starting to consider whether or not to do the eyes fear and then the hands do. You know, I really am considering it. You know, although unfortunately, I must end it soon. You know, because Screencastify will always be the worst thing. But then again, I still haven't found another good alternative, so I'm just stuck using it. So yeah, see ya. Alright. That's it all done.